In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution in Inkscape. If you've ever exported a design and it looked a little soft or smaller than expected, the solution usually comes down to export resolution. Inkscape is a vector editor, which means your artwork itself is crisp at any size, but when you export to PNG, you're creating a raster image with a fixed number of pixels. The key is telling Inkscape how many pixels to generate. Start by opening your design in Inkscape. When you're ready to export, go to File, then Export PNG Image, or use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus E. This opens the export panel, typically on the right side. Everything we need happens here. First, choose what you want to export under Export Area. Page exports everything within your page boundaries. Drawing exports all visible objects in your document, ignoring empty margins. Selection exports only what you've actively selected. Pick the option that matches your goal so you don't end up with extra white space or missing elements. Next, look for the resolution or DPI setting. Inkscape defaults to 96 DPI, which is standard for screens. If you want a higher quality PNG, increase the DPI. For print, 300 DPI is a common target because it packs more pixels into each inch, resulting in a sharper image. As you raise the DPI, you'll notice the pixel dimensions get larger, and your file size will increase too. That's expected. More pixels means more detail. You can also set width and height directly if you have a specific pixel size in mind. A higher width or height produces a higher quality output because it creates a larger image with more pixels to display fine details. Keep in mind that DPI and pixel dimensions are related. Changing one can affect the other depending on the export area and scale. The goal is to match what you need. Larger pixel dimensions for detailed viewing or printing, smaller for quick previews or web use. When everything looks right, click Export. As to choose your save location and file name, then click Export to generate the PNG. Give it a moment to process. That's it. A higher DPI produces a sharper, bigger PNG, while 96 DPI remains a good baseline for screens. If your result still appears blurry, it's usually because the DPI was too low or the width and height were too small. Bump them up and try again. With these settings, you'll have full control over the clarity and size of your exported PNGs from Inkscape.